Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn permutations and combinations together, step by step. This chapter is about counting cleverly. How many ways can things be arranged or chosen? The key difference. Permutations care about order. Combinations do not. The fundamental principle of counting. If one task can be done in m ways and another in n ways, then together they can be done in m times n ways. We multiply the independent choices. N factorial is the product of all whole numbers from n down to 1. By convention, 0 factorial is 1. For example, 5 factorial is 120. Permutations count arrangements. NPR is n factorial over n minus r factorial. Combinations count selections dividing further by r factorial to ignore order. So NPR equals NCR times R factorial. To arrange 3 books out of 5, order matters, so we use 5p3. That's 5 factorial over 2 factorial, which is 120 over 260 ways. To simply choose 3 books out of 5, order doesn't matter, so we use 5c3. That's 120 over 6 times 2, just 10 ways. To recap, multiply independent choices. Factorials build the formulas. Permutations count ordered arrangements. And combinations count unordered selections. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.